How's it going, everyone? Thanks for tuning into my new video. Today I'll be reviewing AUXBEAM RAM 1500 projector headlight bulbs in LED. So let's just jump right in. It came in this nice packaging and it was wrapped. I tore the wrapping off, opened it for y'all, make it easy. Comes with the 9005 high beam light, which is this one right here, and then the 9012 low beam light. And that's these. They're pretty similar, so when you open them, make sure you keep them in their respective boxes so you don't get them mixed up. Just right off the get-go, you can see it's regular LED 2-chip on each side. This one doesn't have the center LED, just this one on the side. Comes with your O-ring gasket, which is gonna prevent any leakage. Your locking clips, so when you take out your new one or your old one and put these in, it'll slide right in. You can give it a good round quarter twist. You know, these is pretty cool. They come with a little turbo fan cooling system, so your LEDs don't overheat and turn off while driving. It comes with a nice protective wire cover, your 2-prong connector, which goes into your from your RAM to your headlight. And these two will go on both driver and passenger. These are set for the, what was it, the high beam. And then for the low beam, it's pretty similar. Oh, these are actually silver based. They're a little bit different color. You see, black based silver. So I guess you can't really get them mixed up. This one has a big locking clip. This one has a smaller locking clip. They're probably won't even fit if you tried to. So these will go directly to your low beam. AUXBEAM right there. Same 2-chip LED on each side. And it looks like it's held together by 2 screws. One there, one there. Another O-ring, prevent leakage. Big fan system on this one too. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's pretty cool. Same connector. And if you're watching this, this isn't for the quad or dual dual headlights. These are specifically for the projector headlights. AUXBEAM does make other ones for your own headlight, but this review's for projector only. And my projectors are actually getting customized right now, so I won't be able to give you an install video. But at the end of the video, I'll include a clip on how to take the headlights off and install them. And the bulb change is very simple. But if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. I'll be glad to respond and help you out. Or contact AUXBEAM itself. I'll leave a link in the description for y'all. And I'll also include a picture at the end showing the difference on the color from the halogen projector to the LED projector, along with the nighttime picture for y'all. Thanks for tuning in. This is Panda. Hope you watch more of my videos, and if you have any questions, hit me up. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.